Hello everyone! In this video, I'll show you how to check your balance on Robinhood. It's really simple. Your balance is divided into two parts. First, your cash balance, how much you have in US dollars or other currency, and your total balance, which includes your stocks, crypto, and other investments. Here's how to check it. Open the Robinhood app and go to your portfolio, which you'll find at the bottom left. At the top, you'll see your total balance. This includes your investments and cash. Right below that, you'll see your buying power, which is your available cash balance. Tap on Buying Power to see a detailed breakdown of your cash balance. This is the money you can use to buy stocks, ETFs, or crypto. From this screen, you can also choose to deposit more funds if you'd like. And that's it. That's how you check your balance on Robinhood. Thanks for watching! If this video helped you, please like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.